Almondina, chocolate cherry, almond cherry chocolate biscuits, 4 ounces, 113.4 grams. Product overview description. Family recipe since 1929. The delicious cookie without the guilt, all natural, no added fat or salt, no cholesterol. Kosher Pareve. Almondina secret since 1929. A unique, old world family recipe, passed down from generation to generation, just as Grandma Dina used to bake le Petit Gateau Sec in her own kitchen. Lavished with almonds, delicious, thin and crunchy, it's a gourmet cookie, cracker, and snack, all in one. Other ingredients: almonds, wheat flour, malted barley flour, sugar, egg whites, cherries, cocoa mass, cocoa powder, natural flavors. Allergy advice: contains almonds, gluten and eggs. Warnings: store in a cool, dry place. Disclaimer: while iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.